Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the theme in the Instasize app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Instasize app, and on the top left corner you can see these three bars. That's the menu icon. Open it by tapping on it. Then you scroll down and tap on theme. You can select the dark theme, tap on always in dark theme, then tap on save. Then your app will be in a dark theme when you are editing too. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.